In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Drive files. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a file from your drive right onto a page in your site so visitors can view it in context. This is quick, clean, and a great way to keep content up to date without re-uploading files every time something changes. Start by opening your site and navigating to the page where you want the file to appear. It helps to think about placement first. Is this file supporting a paragraph you've already written, or is it the main focus of the page? Scroll to the exact section where it belongs so you can immediately see how it fits with your existing text, images, or sections. Being intentional about where you land will make the next steps feel seamless. On the right-hand side of the editor, find the Insert panel. This is your toolbox for adding content. Click Insert, then choose Drive. That opens the familiar Google Drive picker, which lets you pull content directly from your own files without leaving the site editor. If you don't see the panel right away, give the page a second to finish loading, then look for the Insert tab along the side. In the Drive window, browse or search for the file you want. You can scroll through Recent if you've worked on it lately, check Shared with Me if a teammate provided it, or use the search bar to find it by name or keyword. This supports all common Drive file types: docs, sheets, slides, PDFs, images, and more. So pick the version that best communicates your content. A quick tip: confirm you've selected the correct file by checking the thumbnail and file type, especially if you keep multiple drafts with similar names. Once you've found the right file, select it and click Insert. The file will drop onto your page as an embedded element. You'll see a live preview, which means updates made in Drive will reflect here automatically. You can drag the element to reposition it within your layout and use the handles to adjust its size so it aligns with surrounding content. Keep readability in mind. Give it enough space so the title, preview, and any on-page text don't feel cramped. If your audience needs to interact with the content, make sure the file's sharing settings allow them to view it. Otherwise, they may be prompted to request access. That's it. Open your site page, go to Insert, choose Drive, search for your file, then insert it. Take a moment to review the page for clarity and consistency. When everything looks right and you're ready for visitors to see it, move forward with your usual publishing process.